Hello everybody and welcome to the second video of week 2. In this video we're going to be talking about anticipation and obviousness of patterns. So I'm going to go ahead and explain what these two concepts are and then give examples from the previous patterns that we have studied. So the first concept is anticipation, and as in describing the USPTO website, it reads: a claim is anticipated only if each and every element as set forth in the claim is found, either expressly or inherently described, in a single prior art reference. So in other words, an anticipated patent is a patent that is not new, that is not novel, because the description of this new patent perfectly aligns with a prior patent or prior art. And the second concept that we're going to be talking about is obviousness. And doing some research, I found an explanation by Jean Quinn, who is a patent attorney and the founder of an IPWatchdog.com, which is a law website. So he says, in order to determine whether an invention is obvious, one must work through this analytical framework. First, determine the scope and content of the prior art. Second, ascertain the differences between the claimed invention and the prior art. 3. Resolve the level of ordinary skill in the pertinent art. And fourth, consider objective indicia and non-obviousness, i.e., are there secondary considerations of non-obviousness that suggest a patent should issue despite an invention seeming to be obvious? Therefore, a patent needs to show it's new, and it has to clearly differentiate itself from other patents. We're going to take a look at the 6 granted patents from the last video blog and blog to see how they are non-anticipated and how they are non-obvious. So first of all, the first patent, that it was from 1948, if I remember well, it was called the thermal coffee cup, and here registers the main concept. Then in 1999, the sleeve construction for improved paperboard cup insulation improves the design by adding glue dots in the sleeve in order to improve isolation. Then we have the insulating sleeve, but this one, instead of having glue dots, it adds an air gap. After this, we get the thermal sleeve method for manufacturing a thermal sleeve and combination cup and thermal sleeve. This patent, what it's doing is using different materials that in this case they are biodegradable. Then we have the insulated sleeve for a beverage container. This one is what it's doing is adding a transparent material in order to fulfill another functionality, which is to see through and in order to customize the sleeve. And then finally we have the temperature indicating sleeve and related container, where again it creates another feature. In this case, you can read the temperature of the content of the cup. So we're able to see how each new patent adds a twist in every patent. Of course, when we read the patent, it references the patents before. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I would love to read your comments. See you soon.